Hi, I'm Alvin.
And I'm Alex.
Today we're going to be talking about our RPG project.
So let's first talk about the principles behind our project. We originally thought of something more on the lines of a 2D project with gravity, but we later decided to change it to a top-down two-dimensional RPG. We programmed this RPG so that you could interact with villagers and help them with their tasks, and eventually we even got our character to be able to place and break blocks. For this game, we decided to go with a more procedural terrain generation style instead of a traditional predefined world.
Our history of this project began with our first meeting and our discussion of how this RPG would go. Since we saw Pygame wasn't the best, we decided on the arcade library instead. Since both we couldn't have made this project without the tileset, and since both of us are terrible drawers, we decided to use an online one instead. Credits to O Lobster for this. How Although it was a tile set, we still had to write code to parse it and turn it into the real parse tile set that we eventually used. We coded it for a while until we saw a problem. Although we had a tile set, we still needed to get our font from another source. We got this one. This, this unlocked tons more things like an inventory, which led to placing and breaking, a tutorial, and even NPC interactivity. A couple of days later, we ended up with this.
Although we had a functional game, we still had to make it about kindness, as it was the focus of this year's programming competition. As decided earlier, we began implementing the placing and breaking of blocks, as this would assist the user in helping the villagers, yet we still had no way of communicating with them. For this, we added a simple talking interface so the user could choose what to say to the villagers. All in all, this game shows kindness by allowing you to decorate people's gardens, make kind decisions, and just be a good person.
After listening to that much talk about the game, you might want to see what it actually does. So let me give you a quick demonstration. This down here is a tutorial. As it says, you could press H to progress through it, like this. And that, so I don't need to tell you about any of the controls. It's kind of convenient. And as you can see, I can walk around these roads faster than normal. Also, this is exactly the kind of game my sister Abby would get addicted to because she gets addicted to all games, I guess. I'm just walking along. Now, this is the center of the village, which is the most densely populated place. Ooh, an NPC. I wonder if I can interact with him. Nice to meet you. So, what should I say? Nice to meet you. Get out or bye. Nice to meet you seems like the right choice. And the villagers are nice to meet too. Maybe I'm just going to help them decorate their garden with beautiful flowers. So that's basically all there is in the game. Thank you for watching this quick demonstration.